Me brothers and sisters na Columbus, Ohio. Me na Gentle Patrick Mada Koroma. Me na the leader of the Hot Goose Network. Me na chairman of the North Dakota chapter. Me brothers and sisters in Ohio. Me na been one of una as member of the Ohio chapter. Of course, na Ohio chapter I be done the myself. I don't play me on politics with una. Una know me very well. Me na one pauna, but God don't make I don't extend myself na ya. I don't get me own chapter. But I dey come today for present myself to una. Follow una go with me na the region and vote for me. For I represent not only Ohio chapter where una bago boy, not because I dey now as chairman and not Dakota, but I get me political training also inside Ohio, Columbus, Ohio. And I think say I need una support and I get to talk to una. I don't go able to call una all one after the other, the Ohio brothers and sisters there. Because it's too much, and they make effort and they still call. But you are not calling that make and they do this for Leona all year. Leona no say Gentle Patrick Mada Kuruma na una yun na one of una. Ohio is my home. Ohio na de keta tanete nyawonge na nyawonge na. So I want una vote for me for this election because I dey go for PRO. Now this make I dey talk to una me Columbus Ohio chapter people. Now for one reason. No, now for two reasons, two major reasons. One, the next elections they come 2023, 2024. Of course, una all don't know say I don't get a bigger platform, whether they call the Hot Goose Network platform. Una all don't know plenty APC Torongo Toge Pambodi Vuvuzela there. I don't silence them, including Sylvia Magomago Blyden. And most of the federal I don't fight for the government and for the party. And I want to continue with that one day on a bigger platform. If I do that one day under the Hot Goose Network, and they boom so. What do you think say me Ohio people I not go able to do if you give me a boost and support? Right now, I know say una all they proud of me. They say, oh, Ohio, now we own this Ohio. And everybody somehow will not understand me. They say I'm new. Nah, America politics. But that then because some people don't understand. So una get me. Una present me. Do ya at the big. I don't get for go overemphasize what I they do. Una all they see whether you're Gentle political outputs. Una all don't know say that the PR job I they do. So I need a boost. I understand say we all get every one of we get the chairman the whole DBN. We'll all believe in for saying that we will do the work for we. Fact. But let I tell una one thing, let una not make that mistake. All the executive they where they did, the chairman where you don't believe in, when I all don't assess, evaluate them. And no say this chairman will do the job for we, where we think we want at this region. We don't need for us for use the same tool. We want to assess and evaluate that chairman with. Let us use the same tool there for assess and evaluate any member. We want to think say he want to join that chairman, he get for go inside that executive day for that chairman for let head there. Otherwise, if we put the wrong person, we will go nurture divisiveness, and the wrong person it come with incompetence. He hide behind the glory of that chairman. You know able vet him. You know able assess and evaluate him. For no say he will do the job. That chairman they not will succeed. Because all together, if rotten people they go hide behind glory, that chairman will do his best, but nothing not go happen. Do ya? Me as a PR, your job na plenty talk for influence people. Everybody know. When I don't know now, say, are they on the Hot Goose Network platform? Every day, I protect for years. I don't do it now. I don't go overemphasize all the job they will be done. They do that SNPP. But for now, for long, I know that day. I not only register a chapter for make the land the scope of the party enlarge in America, but I also don't create that chapter for let the party get more money than America. That's a bigger job where I think say the party self like what I don't do. Do you Ohio? I know say you're proud of me. That I know. Ohio people. So I dey talk to una the delegate in Columbus, Ohio. I dey talk to una the party supporter. Una talk to una delegate them. Me now una you. I am part of you, Ohio. Will you know that one day? Me I dey part of you. So una for be proud of me. For let una go represent me. Not because una sabi me. Not because me now una party now all be done the Ohio. No. Now because for long I know say Gentle go able to do the PR job. The publicity sector job una know say Gentle they do am. If una know say another able do am, una not put me there. But if una know say I dey do am well and I dey still do am, I just need una help and support. Una vote for me. Una not watch any interest. Una watch the interest of the party. Would I go go challenge APC for this election where they can 2024? And this election they hold they conduct now, yeah, not for North America. If you talk PRO, you know Sangonge, Jepenje, now they talk. So in a force fritter, Lima the day in governance, they go for the talk the governance side, not to all things they go for talk now. Me go there for talk the politics side, me and APC then. When they body, nobody know they when they able to challenge APC for now. I'm not gonna be qualified more than everybody, but nobody know they. Three where they contest for this publicity secretary. We're going to contest APC and challenger. I don't already get the platform. I'm proud of Una because Una don't make me relevant. So Una make use of me because I useful. Una don't make me useful. Una make use of me. Let better can this region. Let this region we don't suffer. Nobody know everybody this region. Do ya? Let this region proud to the SLPP. Let them know about this region. Let them not go no more selfishly as the Hot Goods Network. I go go. But for me, it will be selfish. Especially where I did na a society where na this region. Why they not for send me? So I want to go under the region as a PRO, not only under the Hot Goods Network, where go just benefit only me and not like that one day. That could be a very selfish drive. Do ya me Columbus, Ohio chapter people una vote for me? Una vote for me. Not to because me na una brother or na because me na be one pound. No, na because una they vote for me because of the interest of the party. Like how President Biobi do, he left his brother Strasser he give the power for the interest of the people. Like how Yumkela in family they do. They left them brother for the Yumkela. They left them brother. They support President Bio because President Bio now he be get the platform where people they don't sabi already. Where we able make it bring winning to the party. They vote for him. This the left family interest and party interest, they follow the interest of the party. So we all will do that. They will vote for Gentle for the interest of the party. Me know they can't now for let people they sabi me. I know they can't go for let the party know me. They already know me. From President Okanubi, Ote Kano, Prince Adi, everybody knows me. I get all the link, everybody know me. I don't get for overemphasize that because I bragado business. I don't let come. I just continue to do the job. I know they come for let gain popularity again. For let people that know me know. And they come for can assist and add value to this region. For let una back proud na Ohio. For say this man now we own. It don't go and I represent not only North America. We self proud of him. Una thank you. Let God bless you.